Can someone be sued for patent infringement? Yes. If the defendant was paid to make the invention, but didn't, paid to make the invention. Then I have 10 patents related to alternative energy. I think it's supposed to be a comma, perhaps. Soon after I filed the first applications, the government created several grant programs offering to pay fossil fuel companies for research on the inventions. I was a finalist for one grant, but not given any funding. Several $100 million were distributed. Only a couple companies actually made the invention. One claims to have made a cup of ethanol, but then closed the plant built with government money. Interesting. Sounds a little bit conspiracy-y.
Yeah, I got some red flags going up here.
Yeah, well, let's see. Let's kind of break this down. So, patent infringement requires there to be an underlying patent granted. So, in order for there to be an infringement of a patent, you have to have a granted U.S. patent. Let's start there.
Which they don't have, which this individual does not have.
It does not sound like they do. The sentence about I have 10 patents related to alternative energy. Well, if you do indeed have 10 patents related to granted patents related to a certain energy, whether that's the chemical through actual composition of matter, or if it's a method to make or produce energy, so on and so forth, those are granted rights. And yes, it's very feasible for those to be infringed. And the government may step on those. The government may be liable for infringement. Okay, they may, whether it be knowing or unknowingly, it doesn't matter. It still could be infringement. But I'm assuming a lot here. If the government's looking for, offering grant money, things like this, I could see, them wanting a certain solution. Perhaps that one or maybe some subset of that solution is solved by a patent that's already been issued. And so the government could be perhaps looking for an alternative solution, alternative technology to be able to, bring that type of efficient fuel to market. So I don't have a whole lot to go on other than to say it's very possible that there is infringement. To determine infringement, you have to look at the actual claim language and the infringing method or specific product. And it's an element by element analysis to see whether each and every element of that claim is met by the infringing party.